Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to understand Ghost ESP. Ghost ESP, or extrasensory perception, is a term used in gaming to describe systems that reveal hidden information, such as opponent locations or health, through walls. This provides a substantial, unfair advantage. Understanding how these systems operate is vital for maintaining game integrity and ensuring fair competition for all players. We will explore its core mechanics and impact. ESP systems function by directly accessing and reading the game's memory. They extract critical real-time data, including player coordinates, health values, and equipment status. This raw data is then processed to determine what information should be displayed, and how. Finally, the system renders this information as visual overlays or outlines directly onto the player's screen, giving them an unfair view of the battlefield. Identifying ESP usage often involves observing unnatural player awareness. Look for instances where players consistently pre-aim at opponents before they are visible, or make precise shots through smoke and thin walls without clear line of sight. Analyzing gameplay recordings for these suspicious patterns, such as perfect tracking through obstacles, can provide strong evidence. Many anti-cheat systems also detect memory access anomalies. Promoting fair play is a collective effort. Always report suspicious players using the official in-game reporting tools. Game developers employ sophisticated anti-cheat software that continuously monitors game processes for unauthorized modifications. Additionally, server-side checks validate player actions, flagging impossible movements or shots. Community vigilance and active reporting are absolutely essential to maintain a fair and competitive gaming environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.